Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as old Vincenzo has brought back truth and integrity back into the trading sphere, right? And if we look at what's going on today, the cryptos are pumping a little bit. But if we look at the dollar index has had a nice rally. I've noticed the last couple of days, the dollar moves up, Bitcoin moves up, the dollar moves down, Bitcoin moves down, right? It's kind of strange. Usually it's the opposite. But we're going to keep an eye on this. As you can see, the equity markets are actually, everything's pumping. So something's going to change today. You got stocks pumping, you got the dollar pumping, and you got cryptos pumping. Something out of those is going to change. Either the stocks and cryptos are going to go down, or the dollar is going to go down today, because that's just the way it works over length of time, right? But if you look at what's going on in the cryptos, you can see Bitcoin's coming up to its upper resistance again. I've been thinking there's still a pump left in this, and right now we're underneath now this orange support zone. And you can see we've gotten rejected, 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 right? If we can break above this with some volume, you can get a quick spike, and I went over that up to the 200-day moving average with the volume indicator profile, where that's at right now. I've laid that out, how you could get up there, right? So that's what we're going to watch out for today. And your major areas to watch in the short term is this 19,968-ish area, the underneath support of the old 2017 all-time high. And then this yellow descending line that's capped the price up in here, because if you can break this, hold it on a back test and continue up, that's how you can get bullish. So that's your area to watch. It's about 21,495 and it's descending. Right now you're underneath it, and we're trying to break back above it to get bullish, right? But if you're, as long as you're underneath this, this could bring you back down here. So that's what we're going to watch out for today, because that's like a 5% move down from where it's at now. But that's also a big move up if it breaks up. And you can see Ethereum's the same thing. We've broken over actually where Bitcoin is. You can see Bitcoin's sitting down here right now, and Ethereum has broken to the upside, right? So that's what we're going to watch out for. If Bitcoin can do the same thing. Then we got XRP. You've broken down out of this consolidation, and we're trying to hold the 50-day moving average to try to move back up, which I think could happen. If you can't move back up, you're going to break down and move towards this white supply zone. So that's what we're going to watch out for. That 50-day moving average is the critical area you need to hold. And then if we look at XLM, it's also broken down from the 50, but we're trying to get supported down here, or on the 200 up here. We're trying to get supported down here. On the 50, we'll get more into detail on this and break this down step by step here in a little while. Peace and love. Peace and love.